And today I'm bringing you one more. I'm here with the Morse Micro HaLoLink 2. Hello engineers, developers, and friends. Welcome to another episode of DevKit Weekly. I'm Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design, and I'm here live at Embedded World 2026 in Nuremberg, Germany in our DevZone. And this is the return to the DevZone, and it's bigger and better than ever. As you've been watching through these DevKit Weeklies over the last couple of weeks, I've been introducing you to some of the most interesting tech boards, SOMs, and platforms anywhere in the industry. Look at this beautiful purple board. God, that's gorgeous. This thing is chock full of, it's got an MCU here, it's got current measurement tools, a bunch of different I/O available, of course, obviously, antenna for connectivity in that Wi-Fi HaLow. This thing is a brand new generation of the Wi-Fi HaLoLink, the next generation gateway to harnessing the full potential of Morse Micro's Wi-Fi HaLow network, as they say. But really, if you're doing connectivity and you need a big, powerful Wi-Fi option for your connectivity, this is a great place to take a look. Thank you so much for joining us for this live episode of DevKit Weekly. Make sure that you've liked all of our videos and subscribed and hit that notification button so you never miss any. In the meantime, I've been Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design, and your host. We'll see you next time on DevKit Weekly.